Hi guys, hope that you're all doing well. Still under graded finance. Today's lesson we'll learn about the hire purchase. I'll try to make this as simple as possible. So what is hire purchase? Hire purchase is basically a way of buying something expensive and paying for it over a period of time instead of paying the full price immediately. For example, imagine that you want to buy a television that costs 6,000 Rand, okay? But you don't have the 6,000 Rand available. The store may allow you to take the television home and pay for it in monthly installments. However, because you'll be paying for it over time, you'll usually pay more than the 6,000 Rand. It'll be more than the cash price. Let's try an example. Let's say a television costs let's say 6,000 Rand. This 6,000 Rand is your cash price. Then the store, let's say you don't have that 6,000 Rand available. The store may allow you to pay only 1,000 Rand instead of the 6,000 Rand. We call this amount that you pay first so that you can take the television or whatever that you're buying home, the deposit. You have to pay a deposit of 1,000 Rand instead of the 6,000 Rand. So the store allows you to pay the 1,000 Rand deposits and then 10 monthly installments of 600 Rand. So 10 monthly installments of 600 Rand. So how much will we pay in total? Remember, the television costs 6,000 Rand, but you currently don't have the 6,000 Rand. So the store tells you that you can pay 1,000 Rand and take your television home. However, you still need to pay 600 Rand 10 times, 10 monthly installments. Okay, so what are we paying first? The deposit, which is 1,000 Rand. You have to take this 1,000 Rand, add a monthly installments. How many times will we pay? 10 monthly installments. So you'll pay 10 times. 10 times the 600 Rand deposit. The 600 monthly installment. So let's calculate this. We can start in the bracket. We have 1,000 Rand plus 10 times 600 Rand, which is 1,000 plus 6,000 Rand. 1,000 plus 6,000 is 7,000 Rand. So although the television's cash price was 6,000 Rand, you paid 7,000 Rand through the hire purchase. The extra 1,000 Rand, remember initially you had to pay 6,000 Rand and now you've paid 7,000 Rand. So the extra 1,000 Rand is the cost of buying it on credit. In grade 8 questions, this may be described as the interest. The 1,000 Rand is the interest. Now please make sure that all these notes are in your notebook. So I made these notes for you guys. Please make sure that you copy this in your notebook. These are important hire purchase terms that you should know. Firstly, we have cash price. Cash price is the price you would pay if you bought the item immediately with cash. Secondly, we have a deposit, which is the amount that you pay upfront when you enter into the hire purchase agreement. We have number 3, which is the installment. The installment is the amount that you pay regularly, usually every month. For example, they could tell you that the monthly installment is 500 Rand, so you would pay 500 Rand monthly. Let's go to number 4. We have number of installments. This tells you how many payments you have to make. For example, they would say 12 monthly installments, which means that you have to make 12 payments. We have total installments as well. This is the total amount paid through the monthly installments. The formula is total installments is equal to monthly installments times number of installments. Let's go to number 6, where we have the total hire purchase price. This is the total amount you pay for the item through hire purchase. The formula is deposit plus total installments. Let's go to interest. Interest is the extra amount paid because you're buying the item over time. The formula is total hire purchase price minus your cash price. Now these are the 3 main formulas, the 3 main hire purchase formulae that you guys should know. Firstly, we have total installments. To find your total installments, you say installments times number of installments. Then we have the hire purchase price, which is the deposit plus total installments. And lastly, we have interest, which is higher purchase price minus your cash price. These three calculations are extremely important. Now, please copy all these notes and let's move to the first higher purchase activity. This video is proudly brought to you by McDonald's. Download the McDonald's app today and start earning points every time you order your favorite meals. The more points you collect, the closer you get to exciting rewards like free burgers, desserts, drinks, and more. Simply order through the app, collect points, and redeem them for delicious treats once you've reached the required threshold. Get the McDonald's app now for more information and start enjoying rewards with every bite. Activity 1. A bicycle has a cash price of 4,000 Rand. A customer pays a 1,000 Rand deposit and then 6 monthly installments of 600 Rand. Calculate the total amount paid through installments, the total higher purchase price, the interest paid. Okay, so we can highlight what we've been given. A bicycle has a cash price of 4,000 Rand. A customer pays a 1,000 Rand deposit and then 6 monthly installments of 600 Rands. So you can always highlight the information that you believe you'll use. Firstly, calculate the total amount paid through installments. Let's write A here. We're solving. How do you find the total amount paid through installments? This is basically your total installments. What is our formula again? You have to say installment times number of installments. You know this because you've written down the notes. Right, so A, what is the installment? Let's check our monthly installment. A customer pays a 1,000 Rand deposit and then 6 monthly installments of 600 Rands. So we have to take the 600 Rand, multiply it with, we said 6 monthly installments. So you'll pay it 6 times. 600 times 6 is 3,600 Rands. Now let's move to B. B says the total higher purchase price. What is the formula again? You have to take our deposit and then add our total installments. That will give us the total higher purchase price. Let's check what is our deposit. 1,000 Rand deposit. So you have to take that 1,000 Rand plus the total installments, which is 3,600 Rands plus 3,600 Rands. 1,000 plus 3,600 Rands is 4,600 Rand. We are done with B. Let's move to C. The interest paid. What is the formula for interest? Interest is higher purchase price minus the cash price. What is your higher purchase price? It's this 4,600 Rands. So do you guys see that if your B was wrong, your interest paid would also be wrong. So you need to make sure that your calculations are accurate. C, you have to take a higher purchase price, which is 4,600 Rand, subtract our cash price. What is the cash price again? A bicycle has a cash price of 4,000 Rand, so you take that 4,000 Rand. 4,600 minus 4,000 Rand is 600 Rand. And you're done with the activity. Again, let's recap the total amount paid through installments. This is basically the total installments. This is the total amount paid through the monthly installments. We said 600 times 6. As they stated that 6 monthly payments of 600 Rands. Now let's move to the total higher purchase price. This is the total amount that you pay for the item through the higher purchase. All the money that you've paid. You start with the deposit. We did so. They said a customer pays a deposit of 1,000 Rand. So we started with 1,000 Rand. And then we have installments that we have paid for. 6 monthly installments. So if you calculated the monthly installments, we said 600 times 6, which is 3,600 Rands. So we take our deposit, which is 1,000 Rand, add our total installments, we take our deposit, add our total installments. Our deposit is 1,000 Rand, our total installments is 3,600 Rand, which is a total of 4,600 Rand. Now let's move to C. We have the interest paid. Remember, this is the extra amount that is paid because you're buying the item over time. So you take the total higher purchase price and you subtract the cash price and you get 600 Rands. Now let's move to the second activity. Activity 2, A laptop has a cash price of 8,000 Rand. A customer pays a deposit of 2,000 Rand and then pays 10 monthly installments of 700. So a laptop has a cash price of 8,000 Rand. We can underline the cash price. A customer pays a deposit of 2,000 Rand and then pays 10 monthly installments of 700 Rand. What should you do first? Calculate the total installments. What is the total installments again? This is the total amount paid through the monthly installments. You have to take our monthly installments and multiply it with the number of installments. You have to take the monthly installment multiplied with the number of installments. B, we have the total hire purchase price. This is the total amount that you pay for the item through the hire purchase. We have to take our deposit and add our total installments. Now we have interest, which is the extra amount paid because you're buying the item over time. So interest is total hire purchase price minus your cash price. Let's start with A. Total installments. How do we do this again? We have to take 700 Rand. Let's say A, 700 Rand. How many times do we pay? 10 monthly installments. So it's 700 times 10, which is 7,000 Rand. So you get a mark there. Let's move to B. We have the total hire purchase price. Again, what is the total hire purchase price? It's the total amount that you pay for the item through hire purchase. We have to take our deposit. What is our deposit? A deposit of 2,000 Rand. So we take our 2,000 Rand and add our total installments that we just calculated plus 7,000 Rand. 2,000 plus 7,000 Rand is 9,000 Rand. Let's move to C. You have the interest paid. What is the formula? The total hire purchase price minus the cash price. What is the total hire purchase price? It's the 9,000 Rand that we just calculated minus the cash price. What's the cash price again? A laptop has a cash price of, it's 8,000 Rand. 9,000 minus 8,000 Rand should give you 1,000 Rand. And for this lesson, let's just do 2 activities. In the next video, we'll do activity 3 and move to exam question types. So if you guys have any questions, you can always comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson.
We are the top learners of classes in session and we have received 1,000 Rand cash prize for our academic journey.